Right, digging up the pool. Here we're at. Nice big mess. Rob's actually in the hole. Let's go and have a look. There he is.
Hey.
Hey.
Unfortunately, the pool's got a big hole in the bottom. This is the bottom of the pool. This is rebar that was in the concrete in the pool. This is the edge of the pool coming down. It stops there. It's broken up through here. So
All smashed up.
all smashed up. So our pool we have to fill back in because it's done, unfortunately.
Yeah, so we won't be able to just reline it, eh?
No, it needs to be
That would be a
reconcreted.
re-concrete massive project.
Yeah.
Not gonna happen.
Not going to happen now. No.
Oh well, we have the answer to our question.
So we can actually look at removing all that block work now. We'll leave it there, it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, it's a good little boundary to the garden.
It's a shame really, because it was a good looking pool. But it's done.
It's a shame.
So we'll fill it back in.
You could recess our little blow up pool thing.
Yeah.
Recess it in the ground.
Well, no.
Yeah.
No, let's just put it all in the dirt back.
Cool. Oh well, kept you busy for half a day.
Yeah. But at least we know.
So you can put all these stones
Back
bits
in.
of concrete.
Tidy up.
Well, look at that.
Yeah. And I'm a metre 82.
And it's
the
well
pool
over your head.
is
Yeah.
probably at 2 metres deep. So we're done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Cheers.